Have you ever gotten confused with the terms organic or natural? Welcome to ADP for Learning. I am Ashish Kutyal. Today we will learn about a new topic concerned with organic or natural foods. So, the question arises, what does it mean when food is organic or natural? The word organic has multiple meanings. To a chemist, an organic compound contains carbon and hydrogen. Chemically, all food is therefore organic. To a farmer or consumer, however, organic foods are produced according to a defined set of standards. The U.S. Department of Agriculture certifies crops as organically grown if the farmer does not apply pesticides, petroleum-based fertilizers, or sewage sludge. Organically raised cows, pigs, and chickens cannot receive growth hormones or antibiotics, and they must have access to the outdoors and eat organic food. In addition, food labeled organic cannot be genetically engineered or treated with ionizing radiation. Natural food may or may not be organic. The term natural refers to the way in which foods are processed, not how they are grown. Standards for what constitutes natural food are fuzzy. The USDA specifies that meat and poultry labeled as natural cannot contain artificial ingredients or added color, but no such standards exist for other foods. Thank you for listening and exploring the amazing journey of learning. In the future, we will come up with more interactive topics. Meanwhile, don't forget to like, share, and comment.